So this right here is 400 square feet of pure joy. So if you guys been following me on Instagram, you saw a photo of this probably a while ago, probably a few weeks ago. I am getting a new shop built. It's partly why the lathe project has been on hold, because I've been in the process of moving again. Because the first house we moved into at this new job I got was a rental, and now we live in a nice house now, and we're getting a shop built so I can start have a dedicated area to build. So we actually got the groundbreaking today. Got a footer here we're gonna be pouring concrete in there, and probably it's gonna be, of course, a couple of weeks, probably a month or so to get it completed, and hopefully I'll keep you guys on this journey and trying to document my journey. So stay tuned, and I'll hopefully get back to the lathe pretty soon. All right, bye.